Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Wednesday, the 27th of December. These are the charts of the day. Oh, a pretty good day. Wall Street choppy, but at the end of the day, they rallied them. Lots of stocks participated today. Let's take a look at a couple dozen of them. AMPX, breaking out of inverse head and shoulders, popped 20% today. Only a couple of million traded. It's thin, but it looks like a stock that can make it up to 7 over the next few weeks. ANVS in the biotech sector, which is strong today, exploded from 15 to 22.5, finished 19.5 up 419, 27%. Light volume as well. It's a thinly traded stock and it's extended. There is some resistance above here. ANY really on a mojo right now. In the last 8 or 9 sessions, has gone from $1 to 4 plus and finished at 397 today, up 91 cents. That's 30%. 6.8 million traded. BKKT broke out of a 2-month or 6-week coil and popped from 183 to 249, finished 236, up 55 cents, a 30% gain. The volume soared to 26 million. I'm now looking for a move towards 3. CING was a big winner today, jumping 135% on 50 million shares traded, 58 actually, including pre-market. It exploded from a low of 234 to 510 and reached the declining tops line. There is some additional overhead resistance, and the next target would be 5.5 and 6. The CLSK popped out of a rising flag today and extended with a run to from 1174 to 1356, finished up 166 at 14%. CYTK exploded today on strong drug news, went from 40 to 84 plus, finished 83.20, up 37.5 points or 82%. A monster day for this stock on 24 million. I'm looking for an extension that takes us into the 90 and 105 range. EBON spiked up a few days ago and then had a couple inside days. Yesterday popped and today extended towards 19, finished 17.90 up 45 cents by a beautiful strong move. A little bit overbought perhaps short term, but extension may get mid-20s eventually. ESPR, a strong run, nice rising channel. Top of the channel, the stock's gone from $0.75 to about 2.94, and today closed at 2.83. It was up about 10%. A little bit of resistance in here, but I think the next target might be around 4. Crypto stocks were really strong today. ETHE popped $1.51 or 8%. Top of the channel target now is 24.5. EWTX, another biotech pop through declining tops line a couple days ago, and today accelerated, although it didn't close well. It got up to 1240. Last was 1045, up 93 cents. Wanted to point out the breakout on it. This is related to the CYTK pop and drug news today. Fusn also popped today, and you can see yesterday's breakaway gap, today's follow-up, up another $1.11 to 14%. It's a clear breakout. It looks to me like you may have some stall in this area where there's some resistance, but any follow-through could get you to 13. GCT popped as well today, got up to resistance, but popped $1.69 to 10%. If it gets through here, it could spike into the low 20s. GREE also popped up to the July high today with a spike up of $1.76 or 26.5% on almost about 4 million shares. So there is resistance here. Now this big inverse head and shoulders and platform could pop, and the next target would be 14. IBRX trending up another 10% today. Looks like a target now of 645 is coming. Little KOPN popped through resistance today. I put a swing on it. I think you're going to see 2.5, 3, and 3.5 going forward. Mara, big move up about 11 days in a row, and now a big volume up near resistance. I'm not sure how much more it's got, but the target could be as high as high 30s. And PPSI popped their base today and may extend. The next target is about 8.25 and 9.75. RIOT, along with Mara and a few others in the Bitcoin realm, doing well. This one didn't do exceptional today, but it was up about 7%. And it is up against resistance in this range. The next target is 20. Recent new additions, SGHT swing at the Tech Trader had a nice follow through today, gaining another almost 10%. Next target is 7. TPIC up 41 cents or 10% after following through from the base and the wedge breakout is now at the secondary resistance level. Next target about 5.5. Little TPST popped. It looks like it may be coming out of a big coil, jumping 39 cents or almost 9% today. The volume was solid, up, really took off, and broke out of a base pattern today with a spike up. It's now up several days in a row. It's a little dangerous in here, but momentum is very strong on it. Wrap, put a swing on that one too. The stock is popping. I think it makes it up into that 4 and 4 3/4 range. And finally, little Wulf in the crypto realm really had a strong move today. It's 52 million shares, jumping another 29, almost 30% today. My follow-through target on this one is going to be 3.5 and 4. That's a look at some of the hot stocks at thetechtrader.com. Good night, everybody.